Hey, I'm Tony King. Welcome to Zerion's Tips. Today I'm going to walk you through the Invoice Preview Queue and how you can use that one queue to select many different types of tickets, one of those being will calls for a specific date range. The Invoice Preview Queue can be accessed through a widget, just like most of the other programs within Solar, or you can go under your main menu, you can go to Orders, you can go to Queues, and then you can go to the first option, the Invoice Preview Queue. This queue is incredibly helpful for any ticket that is processed to a generation, so an invoice. It can be used in multiple different ways to track down these tickets that you might be researching or just verifying. You simply type in your branch and type in an end date is what I like to do, because if you leave it open-ended, it takes a little bit longer to run. And then on the right-hand side, the print status is really, really important. You can have Q, you can have P, you can have B for batch. You could also have an N. And all of those options paired with the appropriate ship via will bring back different results. So for example, we might want to use a Q for Invoice Preview Queue and then a will call ship via. We can simply click update at that point and it will show us all the will calls that are available at that branch. Really, really helpful because you can see what's on your will call shelf. If you happen to want to exclude or include directs for other ship vias, then you simply select that option. But once again, this queue is just really, really helpful for trying to find or locate the ticket numbers for different processes that have happened within your warehouse. You can edit the widget, you can open the widget from your home screen. If you need to, you can change that. You could even make this a specific will call widget. So for instance, if you put in the specific criteria for Q and then the ship via of will call, you could even rename it as well. And then we would just simply click OK after you've done that stuff. And it will be a customized widget specifically for my needs of looking at will calls in the Invoice Preview Queue. I hope this tip has helped you. Remember that in the Invoice Preview Queue, it's important to put the right print status, the right ship via, and the right end date. Just select update and you'll see the invoices that you're looking for. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. I'd be glad to help.